golden hour.
We are sitting in a little like open air part of a restaurant here,
awesome.
and we spotted it from across the street, and then we just came in because we're spontaneous ladies.
We are.
Like that. We both made it to Chicago, Kristin by car, unexpectedly.
Right, it was supposed to be by train and her by plane, and then I ended up by automobile. So we were planes, trains, and automobiles. Really.
Yep. But we made it here, and our room is spectacular. I'll have to get some video of that.
Sure.
It's so beautiful. And yeah, it's just a really nice evening in Chicago right now. Really nice night. One house-made spaghetti, one crab cake
with the corn succotash.
Yum.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Can I get
you.
you anything else?
Kristin's ordering the dessert.
It's necessary, y'all. It's necessary.
It's strawberry shortcake.
From Portillo's.
Some of you probably know about that. We're about to take our vitamins, and it's 8:11, and we're in downtown Chicago. We're watching Pretty Woman, and we're about
Taking
to...
our supplement vitamins. I mean, we know how to
Do you have
party.
any
I'm just
Metamucil?
saying it.
That's all that's missing.
It's in my other bag.
Oh, I can see the moon. No, we're waiting on some strawberry shortcake to come our way. And I'm making a list of all the things Kristin's influencing me to do. This is what you call a real influencer trip.
It is.
People are getting influenced.
There's no influence in the way of products. It's more in the way of no-churn ice cream, mango from Aldi, cinnamon crunch scones,
And that blush that I need to get, that peachy
the
blush.
peachy blush, and I need to get the
Physician's Formula blush.
saucy mauve.
That would be a fun video, Kristin. Like, we each come up with a list of, like, top 5 blushes the other one needs to try.
Oh, yeah.
And since we both love blush.
Yeah, we should totally do that.
And then we could see, like, what ones we would, like, pull into our own collection as a regular.
absolutely.
This is how you brainstorm.
That's
Okay, this is Portillo's
strawberry shortcake.
strawberry shortcake. Okay.
It's delightful.
Let's get a bite here.
Just get the actual reaction. I know, right? Look at me. I know good food. Let's be real.
Oh my gosh.
It's so good. It's
Why is that?
I don't know. I don't know why it's so good. It's like they get all the strawberries through all the stuff.
But there's still like shortcake there.
Right, it's
and
not-
it's still holding its own.
Exactly.
And it seems like this has all been packed in and like, oh, that's
Oh.
so good.
Yeah, it's delightful.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
so good. And there's real whole strawberries in there, not like little pieces.
And the cream on top. Oh my gosh.
And because, I don't like too much sugar, I had a Diet Coke.
We're getting ready to head down to the massage. And my big question for Kristin was, what if I have to stop them so I can pee?
Right. Well,
Potty break.
So I scheduled her for a prenatal massage so that they know the situation. I said, well, first of all, when you get there, they will say to you, do you have to use the restroom? And I always say yes, whether I have to or not, because let's just get things handled.
If they don't ask, I'll
If they
just
don't
say.
ask, you say, where's your restroom?
And if I forget, Kristin will say,
I will.
she needs to go.
Right, exactly. And then they'll usually ask, like, where are your issue spots or whatever, and you fill them in. And
Okay.
then I would just ask them the question, say, hey, if I have to use the restroom, what's the
signal?
Is there a signal? Is there a, hey?
If I start trembling
Yeah, exactly. That means, do I have a whistle? Like, what's going to happen?
and it's not going to tickle.
If you're ticklish, you can tell them to use the and they'll ask you pressure, like how's pressure, how's...
It's just like, when it's your kid's first trip to the dentist, and you'd like tell them it's their first time, and
Yeah.
everybody kind of like
Absolutely, I would totally
falls
tell
in
them.
line.
Yeah.
So I'll just tell them
told
I've never
when
done this.
I told them when
before.
I called too, so we'll see if they noted that.
This girl's a real noob that I'm coming in with, so watch out.
Be real careful with this one. They'll be great about it. I'm sure they've had lots
Okay.
of people that were new. So yeah,
And then the pedicure. What if I'm self-conscious about my bunion
they have seen worse. I assure you, they have seen worse.
and my dryness of my feet? What will they do to the feet? Will
So
they like put lotion all over them?
Oh yeah, so you soak them first.
Oh, good.
So they don't even look dry because they've been soaking before they actually even touch them.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
And then they'll take your polish off, and then they'll do like the actual pedicure where they trim and cut off all your little cuticles and everything. And my favorite part is always the hot, wet towel that they put over it. That's my
Ooh,
favorite
that would
part.
feel good.
It's delightful.
Don't want
Polish.
anybody getting cold feet.
You're
But
right.
you want to know what I did?
Polish.
I didn't have polish on my toes
So you
before
put your
this.
polish-
It's like the people who clean before the cleaning person
Right, exactly.
comes.
It's so funny. I have gel on my toes, and I had just found the other day that one of my gels just came off. So I look crazy, but it's okay. It's all right.
You look great.
Thanks.
You look and sound like you know what you're doing
Yeah, right.
in this
Well,
situation.
we'll see.
So, yep, that's what we're doing.
That's it.
Spa times. We're eating Twizzlers. We've had a busy day.
We have had a busy day.
I mean, it's been taxing. We've had to get massages.
And pedicures.
And shop. So
Lunch.
Eat lunch, yes.
We don't know how we've made it, quite frankly.
We are living the life.
We are
here.
living the life.
We really are. And so Kristin had encouraged me before all this happened. I was like, I don't know about getting a massage. I've never had one before. I'm a little nervous about it. And she encouraged me to go for it. I am so glad I did. So I had a prenatal massage today.
Yep.
And it was just, it ended with me saying, you are an angel, to this woman. She was so good, and it was just top to bottom, bump included, feet and hands, and just everywhere that you don't even think that you're maybe feeling stress
Where you
on
hold
your body.
tension and stuff. Yeah, you just don't even know.
How was yours?
And it was really, really good. It was interesting. It was the first time ever that I've had, she actually used her feet. She made sure I was covered with a sheet. Don't get it twisted. She didn't you put her feet directly on my body. But it was from behind me. She kind of held my shoulders down with her feet at one point and then was, massaging. It was really interesting.
Wow.
But it was amazing. It was great.
Yeah, we got the pedicures, and you got the gel.
Yep.
And I got this pretty, kind of metallic polish, neutral. It's a shade that I've loved before from Sally Hansen, I think, pretty much.
Yeah, something
but
similar.
I sniffed it out in the Etsy line and got that, and it was great as well. I was so pleased.
I picked a gel shade, and I didn't even know I just picked a neutral light shade. And then she's putting on, she's like, that's really pretty. I said, yeah, what is the shade on it? I was about to say, is it topless and barefoot? And she's like, topless and barefoot. I'm like, yep. I'm as boring as they come. Consistency. I like to call it consistent, not
She
boring.
knows what she likes,
That's
and
right.
she's able to pick it out again
Exactly.
and again. So what happened after
yeah.
that? We came up to the room. We got ready.
Yep, Nordstrom. We did the makeup or the beauty section first, and then we went and got lunch.
And it was pretty busy in the beauty section, but it wasn't we weren't waiting around or anything really. So
But there's
that
a
was
lot of
nice.
people to maneuver around. And then
Haul to come, probably.
yeah, for sure, for both of us probably.
And got lunch
Oh yeah,
at
ate
the
lunch,
Nordstrom Cafe.
which was
salads.
Really good. I had a really good salad.
We were very sensible during that meal.
We were.
I'll probably go hog wild tonight, but we were looking at the clothes, and I wasn't really planning to stock up on anything. I wasn't planning to really run into a lot that either fit me now or just put a lot of money into clothes right now. And then we saw the Barefoot Dreams cardigans, which everybody loves. Is there anybody out there who hates Barefoot Dreams? Raise your hand, because I haven't heard about anybody like that. And it is really soft, I have to say. And she's like, just put your arm into it. Kristin's is,
I'm like, just stick your arm in and see what it feels
and
like.
so of course it felt good.
Right. And it's on sale. You will get so much wear out of it, though, I promise.
She says I can wash it, I can dry it. It's the softest thing ever. You could put it on in the morning while you're drinking your... Like, she painted this whole picture of what my life would be like now that I have this sweater. So
it's going to improve your quality of life so much.
So she peer pressured me into it, and I got it.
I did. Really, that's the moral of the story is yes.
I think I'm really going to like it, though.
I think so, too. You can wear it for so many things.
Yeah.
And, you know, if the air conditioning's up too high in your house, you could wear it... You know
I think I'll actually just wear it constantly. I think
that would how you get your most bang for your buck is if you just wear it constantly.
That and only that. And then
Right.
you found some cool things.
Yeah, I found BP is a brand that a not as expensive brand that Nordstrom carries. I found a really nice cardigan, really thin, soft cardigan, like a casual sort of cardigan, and a couple of what are those called, bolero style or crop sweater, bolero sweater, whatever. I don't know. And I found one in navy, which is hard to find. They had black, too, which I got that as well.
Yes.
I think that's it. I think I got those two things. And then the cardigan.
Yeah.
And then we went to a store called Eloquy. It's a plus-size store that I've never actually seen. I've only ever been able to buy online. So we went in there. I tried a bunch of stuff on. I got a couple of things in there as well. So I'll probably do a clothing haul.
It was a nice store.
Yeah. It was very nice. A little bit better quality and more
career
focused.
Kind of.
Yeah.
And now we're just having Twizzlers and watching TV a little bit.
Yeah.
So
we have dinner reservations at 7 o'clock tonight, and it's $3.50, so we have some time to chill, get ready, relax, because we've had a rough day.
Well, but you know what's funny? I'm tired. Like
Shopping is exhausting.
It is. So
I mean, really.
Many people can agree to that. Well, we will talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. And I suspect I got handed a mimosa in the lobby. What do you call it? An orange bubbly drink, orange refresher or something like that.
I can't remember what he called it, but there's...
Like, if he would have just said the word mimosa, then it's clear to everybody that there's booze in it. So Kristen's drinking mine.
I mean, I have to take one for the team.
It's okay. I got my water here.
That's right.
I got my crystal geyser. I've been feeding off the crystal geyser. Vlog time on Sunday morning. Look at that sad packed up suitcase over there behind me. Yeah, things are getting all cleaned up. Kristin is right back here. She's doing her makeup right now. We went down for some coffee and the girl was like, "What are you having?" And I'm like, "A coffee. What am I having?" You just don't. Some people are like super observant about that kind of thing. Some people clearly have.
The waiter who wanted you to have like shots of tequila all night long.
Yeah, the waiter was trying to sell us hard on the booze last night, and you know.
He was on a mission.
Got the coffee, but I just can't believe the time has passed as fast as it has, as Kristin and I were saying on her vlog. Like, it's flown. I ordered one of these cool makeup bags, though, because Kristin has a code, and it saved me actually, like, I don't know, $25 on the whole deal.
It's 30% off. It's a cold I've had I didn't even know it was still active. I'm like, just try it and see if it works. Totally works.
So it's PurseN. I'll link below, and I'll put it. You just put in Kristin's name in all caps and
spelled correctly.
Yeah, I'll put that below, and you guys can investigate this. But it's a really neat little method of brushes and hot tools, like, can go up top there, and
I put my brushes up here, and then I can also fit my curling iron there. And then all
That's
your
so cool.
makeup in here.
Love it. And it's wipeable. It's got like a wipeable finish on this.
It's all
part,
like nylon or something.
Very cool. And you know, this is how you create a vanity on the day.
Exactly. A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do.
Find things like the Kleenex box, use the glasses for water and stuff, and insta vanity.
Exactly.
That's how it's done by the traveling pros. All right, Kristin and I are having a little breakfast, little brunch this morning. We're having the quiche.
Bacon and Gruyere.
Nice. Oh, and this is our view. It looks like a beautiful day. Hopefully good travel weather for both of us, because Kristin's got to drive.
I do.
So, all right, we're about to do this. Just doing a little vlog wrap up, because I honestly can't remember what I shot yesterday what I haven't looked at my video yet, but made it back from Chicago. I thought I was going to do the really uncomplicated thing by flying in. I just thought that's going to be so easy. We've got a nearby airport with flights to Chicago. We'll just make this happen. And really like getting in for a period of time, getting into O'Hare. We were sitting out there on the runway for a long time just waiting to get our spot at the gate. Lots of people on a hot plane. That's a really fun place to be. And then getting home, we were delayed. First off, because they came over the speaker and said, while we were still in the airport, they said, we haven't boarded yet because the flight attendant noticed there was a light bulb out on one of the exit signs. And so it's like, yes, I appreciate the attention to detail, but wow. And so that pushed us back. And then we were taxiing around forever, and the pilot comes over the speaker saying, we're trying to avoid a storm that's to our south, and we're having to get rerouted. And then after like 30-40 minutes, they're like, okay, we're 6th in line and we've got a new route to take. And that route ended up making a little hour-long flight turn into like an hour and a half. Needless to say, I'm thrilled that we avoided whatever storm was out there because it was a smooth, good ride. But you know, stuff like that just isn't without its little complications. But it was such a fun weekend, such good quality time. I feel like when you're with somebody, you really enjoy their company. You don't have to be doing something like fantastic and off the wall to just totally be enjoying it. So, you know, there were times where we were just sitting there, had a movie on the TV and just talking and snacking and having a great time. And Kristin's been vlogging throughout this whole thing, so you could check out her channel for some more, her vlog channel. She's doing the Vlogmas in July. But I'm just glad we decided to do something like this. You can live your life saying, oh, we should do something, we should. But let me tell you, it's a lot more fun when you just actually do it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.